I'm Bergeron from the Channel 10 News. I have a wet and cool report to tell you today. It is about the Earth's water cycle. I will try to answer the question, can water change its state of matter? Do you know how water goes from a liquid to a gas to a solid and back to a liquid? If not, then please watch as I demonstrate this to you through a simple experiment. So come with me on this fun learning adventure.
I rise to the sky from the sea below, then down to the ground as rain and snow.
I represent the movement of water, that's my purpose. Whether on, above or below the earth's surface, in the continuous cycle, my work's never done, cause I'm driven by energy from the sun. I travel through the sea, through the air, through the ground. You could say that water really gets around, but in fact most water's just chilling in the oceans. Only a small fraction is really in motion at any given time, but yo, that's the way it goes when we're studying the voyages of H2O. In the cycle, water changes states at various places, of 3 states being ice, liquid, and water vapor. But this cycle strays from the norm, cause through the process water still keeps the same structural form. While other cycles involve chemical change, water may change states but its structure stays the same. I rise to the sky from the sea below, then down to the ground as rain and snow. I keep it moving, moving, cause I'm the water cycle. Moving, moving, cause I'm the water cycle. Rise to the sky from the sea below, then down to the ground as rain and snow. I keep it moving, moving, cause I'm the water cycle. Moving, moving, cause I'm the water cycle. So when water transforms from liquid to gas and rises up into the atmosphere, that's evaporation, a process made possible by energy from the sun, also known as solar radiation. And when this water vapor in the sky reforms into liquid water droplets, that's condensation. And when this water falls back down to the earth as rain, snow, hail, or sleet, that's precipitation. Plants have their own type of evaporation through their stomata, which is called transpiration. So collectively the term used for transpiration plus all other evaporation is evapotranspiration. 2 more terms to add to your collection. The movement of water through the air is advection. And speaking of keeping it moving, understand that runoff is water flowing across the land. I rise to the sky from the sea below, then down to the ground as rain and snow. I keep it moving, moving, cause I'm the water cycle. Moving, moving, cause I'm the water cycle. Rise to the sky from the sea below, then down to the ground as rain and snow. I keep it moving, moving, cause I'm the water cycle. Moving, moving, cause I'm the water cycle.
Oh, welcome back. Did you understand how water can change its state? What we learned today is that H2O can turn into water vapor when it is heated up. But did you know that water can evaporate at any temperature above freezing? At below freezing, when water is ice, it will disappear straight from a solid to a gas. I would like to show you one more thing. Did you notice in our experiment that the rain we produced was not blue? That is because when water turned into a vapor, it left behind all the blue dye and is now fresh water. You can see this also in our pot of water that was left out for 4 hours. The dye is being left behind. Thank you for watching this special edition brought to you by the Water Cycle.
I rise to the sky from the sea below, then down to the ground as rain and snow.
I represent the movement of water, that's my purpose. Whether on, above or below the earth's surface, in the continuous cycle, my work's never done, cause I'm driven by energy from the sun. I travel through the sea, through the air, through the ground. You could say that water really gets around, but in fact